All right, so here's video number 4 for examples of different type of word problems that include fractions. Let's go ahead and read through it. An airplane can fly 520 miles in 2 hours. At this rate, how far can the airplane fly in 10 hours? So we have a ratio fraction, 520 miles in 2 hours. This seems like a unit rate. So we're going to work this problem just like we did in the last video. We're going to set up 520 miles over 2 hours, divide top and bottom by 2 to get a unit rate, right? And then multiply, set that equal to miles per the hours that they give us, and we'll perform a cross product. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So our goal is to change the denominator into 1 by dividing top and bottom by 2, right? So you see that here, 520 miles in 2 hours. If I divide the bottom by 2, I'll get a unit rate of 1, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. But what I do to the bottom of a fraction, I have to do to the top. So 520 miles divided by 2 is 260. So 260 miles in 1 hour. The question was, how far will the airplane fly in 10 hours? So we've got our unit rate. It can go 260 miles in 1 hour. If you multiply top and bottom, that would give you miles and per 10 hours, right? So 2,600 miles in 10 hours, right? But some folks can't see that. So let's just perform our unit rate. Now use your cross product or cross multiplying skills, right? So here I'm showing you the unit rate, 260 miles, right? We got that by converting 520 miles over 2 hours, dividing top and bottom by 2 to get the 260 miles per 1 hour. That's what you see here. Now I'm going to set that equal to what we're looking for. All right, I put 10 hours on the bottom because that's where the 1 hour unit rate falls. So 10 hours goes on the bottom, miles are on top. I don't know how many miles. I'm going to pretend I don't know. I know I said it earlier, but I'm going to pretend I don't know how many miles we can travel in 10 hours. So you perform a cross product after you've converted into your unit rates. So 260 times 10, 1 times x gives you what you see here, 260 times the 10, 1 times the x. Let's go ahead and move forward, and you can see 260 times the 10 gives you 2,600 miles in x equals 10 hours. All right, so 2,600 miles in 10 hours. Or 10 hours divided by 2 is 5 hours. So if you multiplied 5 times 520, that would also have given you the 2,600 miles in 10 hours. Right? So 260 times 10 hours, right? 10 hours times the 260 miles gives you the total miles you could travel in 10 hours. Hey, I hope this was helpful for you. I've got a couple more videos. This was video number 3. Stay tuned for video number 4. Hey, math is easy, step by step.